Is your 2016 Chrysler 300 displaying key fob not detected? This common warning indicates the car can't recognize your key fob. The most common cause is a dead key fob battery. Replace it with a new CR2032 battery. Low battery power weakens the signal, preventing the car from recognizing the fob. To replace the battery, open the key fob case, remove the old CR2032, and insert a new one. Test the signal by pressing buttons near the car. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the issue, the RF hub might be malfunctioning. This module receives and authenticates the fob's signal. Problems often stem from power surges, corrosion, or software glitches. Corrosion is a common issue, as shown here on the RF hub module, and can cause permanent failure. Check the key fob frequency, typically 314 MHz, to ensure compatibility. DIY fixes are effective, but professional servicing is recommended. Always disconnect the battery before any resets to prevent shorts.